How to change Gmail name on mobile. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Gmail application and it will lead you here, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right, you'll see your profile. Now here on your profile, tap on manage your Google account. Now it will wait for it to load and it will look like this. And here you will see a lot of options. You will see home, personal info, data and privacy, security, people, and sharing. So all you have to do is go here to personal info, and here you'll see basic info section. Now here you will see name. Tap on name there and wait for it to load, and here you will see name and nickname. So since you want to change Gmail name on Facebook, then tap on name here, tap on the pen icon here and wait for it to load again, and change your first name and your last name here, and tap on done if you are done with that, and just wait for it to load. Now if you go back here, if you tap on your profile here again, just wait for it to load again. Let's just delete that and go back to our Gmail. Now here you will see it's still the same, right? But if you tap on manage your account there, you have successfully changed it. All you have to do is to just wait for it to actually load, and it will eventually change its name, because if you go here to manage your Google account, you will see that you have successfully changed your Gmail name on mobile. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.